back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit the notification bell hit the notification bell icon. So for this video, I wanted to share some outfit ideas with you guys. I was inspired by other YouTube outfit videos for like binge watching them for like hours. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of videos, or if you have any other ideas that you'd like to see me try, tell me in the comment section below. See you next time. Bye.